Now, I started to develop the spa. Mga tinutulungan ko is mga single mother. I teach them how to do the massage and then they can bring their child with them, live in the spa, and they have free electricity, free water. I give them allowance and then I give them rice. So when they wake up in the morning, they have nothing to worry but to take care of their child, put them in the school. They come back, they start working. At least they have everyday income that can also manage and take care of themselves and their child. It's been almost 12 years now. And also working student. I also accepted the working student so they can go to school and then when they come back, they can start working also. They have their salary. That's how I do it. It's a way of giving back, but teaching them how to work also and to survive.
Ang ganda dun. And obviously, kaya ako kayo blessed na blessed dahil sa dami po ng tinulungan nyo. Businesses with a real mission are those businesses that always thrive. Kasi pagka humirap ng sitwasyon, talagang babalik ka dun sa mission mo. Ano bang mission? Ano bang goal ng business?
Yes.
So first, you need to make sure na yung business mo ay sustainable. Kasi paano ka makakatulong if yung business mo hindi sustainable? And I can see yung level of commitment mo dun sa business mo, tita. No? Talagang, I'll do my best, I'll give my best, no matter the situation is.